Alright, so how do you edit a block without having to go into the block editor, but just actually editing it within your file? So for example, say these bar stools, instead of the kind of all the way around, they actually kind of have a backrest that stops here. So we need to edit that. So instead of going edit to the block editor, what we want to do now is actually, if I select this, right click and click edit block in place, click on the dining chair, that one. Okay. Now I can actually go in and add some lines. So maybe we're going to do it where this is our kind of edge of the block. So let's do a match properties. There we go. MI. So I'm going to mirror it on the other side. And let's do a trim. And another trim. Press enter. And when you're done, all you have to do is go up to the ribbon, and these little options have been kind of added to your main home ribbon. And basically, you can either discard the changes, maybe you decided, okay, I don't want to actually do these, or save changes, click OK, and it brings it back, and this particular block has then been edited. Now, importantly, when you edit a block in place, you're only editing it as a unique thing. When you edit the block in the block editor, you are editing it as this overall kind of change. So that's something to keep in mind when you use edit block in place versus the block editor.